In this video, I am going to show you how to change Wi-Fi on Smart Life app. For this, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Open the Smart Life app and navigate to the devices page. Step number 2. Find the device you want to change the Wi-Fi for and tap and hold on it. Step number 3. On the device menu, select remove and confirm the removal. Step number 4. Now tap the plus button in the top right corner to add device. Step number 5. Choose your device type from the list of Smart Life compatible devices. Step number 6. The app will prompt you to select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Make sure you are connected to the new Wi-Fi network on your phone. Step number 7. Follow the on-screen instructions, which typically involve putting your devices in pairing mode, usually by holding a button for a few seconds. Step number 8. The app will guide you through the pairing process and let you know when the device is successfully added to your new Wi-Fi network. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.